Imagine spending billions of naira to build a road, only for that same road to develop potholes a few years later. Every year, governments across Nigeria announce new road projects worth billions. Construction equipment arrives, groundbreaking ceremonies are held, contracts are awarded, yet many roads deteriorate far sooner than expected. Some projects take years longer than planned. Others remain incomplete despite significant funding. Why does road construction cost so much in Nigeria? And why do so many roads struggle to deliver lasting results? To answer these questions, we need to understand how roads are built, what makes them expensive, and the challenges that continue to affect infrastructure development across the country. Roads are among the most important pieces of infrastructure in any economy. They connect cities, transport goods, support businesses, link communities, and enable economic growth. Virtually everything we consume travels by road at some point in its journey. Food from farms, building materials, fuel supplies, manufactured products. Without reliable roads, transportation becomes slower, more expensive, and less efficient. This is why governments around the world invest heavily in road infrastructure. Nigeria is no exception. With a population of more than 200 million people and one of Africa's largest economies, the country depends heavily on its road network. But building roads is far more complex than many people realize. Many people assume road construction simply involves pouring asphalt onto the ground. In reality, road construction begins long before any asphalt is laid. Engineers must conduct surveys. Designers must analyze traffic patterns. Environmental assessments may be required. Land acquisition and compensation can add substantial costs. Drainage systems must be planned. Bridges and culverts may need to be constructed. Utility lines sometimes need to be relocated. Only after these preparations can construction begin. The materials themselves are also expensive. Road projects require enormous quantities of stone, sand, asphalt, cement, steel, fuel, and heavy machinery. Construction equipment must often operate for months or even years. Labor costs add further expenses. When all of these factors are combined, the cost of a major highway can reach hundreds of billions of naira. Nigeria's climate presents additional challenges. Heavy rainfall can weaken road foundations. Poor drainage can cause water to accumulate beneath road surfaces. Flooding can accelerate deterioration. In some regions, unstable soil conditions require additional engineering solutions. Roads that are not properly designed for local conditions may begin to fail much earlier than expected. This means construction quality is critical. Even small mistakes during construction can create major problems later. One of the most common reasons roads deteriorate prematurely is poor maintenance. Road infrastructure requires ongoing attention. Cracks must be repaired. Drainage systems must remain functional. Damaged sections should be addressed before problems spread. When maintenance is delayed, minor issues can quickly become major failures. Overloading is another challenge. Many roads are designed to carry vehicles within specific weight limits. However, overloaded trucks can place enormous stress on road surfaces. Over time, repeated heavy loads accelerate wear and tear. Traffic growth also creates pressure. Roads built decades ago may now carry far more vehicles than originally anticipated. As population and economic activity increase, infrastructure faces greater demands. Road projects are also affected by funding and project management challenges. Some projects experience delays because funds are released gradually. Inflation can increase costs over time. Changes in government priorities may affect project timelines. Economic fluctuations can impact the availability of resources. As delays accumulate, project costs often rise. What began as a relatively affordable project can become significantly more expensive. The consequences of poor roads extend far beyond transportation. Businesses spend more on logistics. Travel times increase. Vehicle maintenance costs rise. Agricultural products take longer to reach markets. Investors may become less willing to develop certain regions. For millions of Nigerians, road quality directly affects daily life. A reliable road network can stimulate trade, create jobs, and support economic growth. A poor road network can slow development and increase costs across the economy. Despite these challenges, progress is being made. New highway projects are expanding connectivity. Improved engineering standards are being adopted. Modern construction technologies are improving durability. Better project monitoring is increasing accountability. Across the world, countries have demonstrated that long-lasting road infrastructure is possible when planning, funding, engineering, and maintenance work together effectively. Nigeria has the resources, expertise, and potential to continue improving its road network. The challenge is ensuring that investments translate into durable infrastructure that serves future generations. Roads are more than concrete and asphalt. They are the arteries of a nation's economy. They connect people to opportunities, businesses to markets, and communities to development. Building quality roads is expensive, but failing to build them properly can be even more costly. The future of Nigeria's transportation system will depend not only on how much money is invested, but also on how effectively those investments are managed. What do you think is the biggest challenge facing road construction in Nigeria? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to Next Wave Africa for more stories about Africa's infrastructure, development, technology, and future.